Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is from my favorite cuisine. It is burnt garlic fried rice. This is the dish I always order whenever we go out for dinner. So let's start cooking. Heat some oil in a pan. Into the hot oil, add some sliced garlic. To get the best Chinese flavor, you should always slice the garlic in this manner. Even though it says burnt garlic, you should not burn it, but you have to roast the garlic really well. Take out half of the garlic for garnishing. Now add in some finely chopped onions. Let's add in the veggies. Some beans, some carrots, and some cabbage. You can add more vegetables according to your choice. And you have to cook the vegetables on high flame. And you should not cook the vegetables completely. We need a crunch for the vegetables for the fried rice recipe. After cooking this on a high flame for some time, push these vegetables to a side and add in 2 well-beaten eggs. Now you have to scramble this egg and cook it. Now mix the vegetables together with the egg. Now here I am adding 1 cup of boiled basmati rice. And you have to cook the rice only 80%. After cooking, you should drain the excess water from the rice so that the extra starch will remove from the rice, so that the rice will not be sticky. Now mix this really carefully with the vegetables and egg without breaking the rice. Now add in some pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and add in some water and some vinegar. Here I have used natural coconut vinegar, but you can use the white vinegar as well. Now mix it. The extra water which we added will help the rice to remain moist and also to infuse all the flavors into it. This fried rice has a very good intense flavor of the burnt garlic in it. That is the main difference of a normal fried rice and a burnt garlic fried rice. Those who really love the flavor of garlic will definitely love this burnt garlic fried rice. So definitely try out this recipe at home and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo, subscribe to our channel and find out more interesting recipes. Also, do check out some other videos from our channel. Thank you.